opportunity, although I share the frustration of the previous speakers that we're now having statements again on this issue over and over, and no progress being made. And the Policing, Security and Community Safety Act, I had a short time on the Justice Committee, and I had serious concerns about this act, but I sort of put them to the side in the sense that we were absolutely reassured that community would be the major part of that, and we would have Gardaí on the ground. It hasn't happened. It hasn't even been implemented, although we're given a reason or two here and that. That's worrying. I come from a city in Galway where I believe that there should be more, and I acknowledge Deputy Coppinger's concerns about the interaction between guards on the ground and people from a certain background. But theoretically, I think we all want to see more guards on the ground. And I said that from someone, my introduction to the guards was reading the O'Higgins report in relation to Sergeant McCabe, and it certainly opened my eyes in relation to what was happening in the Garda Síochána at a very high level that filtered down. The same thing with the Morris Tribunal, the Smithwick Tribunal, and all of these tribunals, which the reports I read in my first few years in the Dáil. Notwithstanding that, it's a testimony to the people of Ireland and to the good guards on the ground that we actually want more of them, and we feel safer having them, but we've never got them. And then in the guise of community safety, we're talking about facial recognition. I absolutely tremble at the thought that that's been pushed to make us safer community. In my experience, and indeed my experience in the Dáil, and the ushers on the ground are just absolutely fantastic in providing security by watching exactly what's happening in the Dáil. And similarly, guards on the ground that are not, I don't like the word embedded, but are part of the community. A liaison guard and a community guard that you can call makes us all feel much safer. And Ken Corley, you know well that that's been dismantled, and that is not on the ground, despite all the wonderful words, despite that act that hasn't been implemented, and all of the time the push is towards technology to make us safer, which won't make us safer, but it will certainly go a long way to undermining social cohesion and going back to where we're giving the guards enormous power, as they had in the past, unchecked, unsupervised and unmonitored. And I say that with the greatest of respect to the guards on the ground. I'm asking for more guards on the ground. I believe they make us safer. But this technology and the facial recognition, I tremble. And I note the concerns of the human rights organisations on the ground repeatedly, who go to great trouble to educate us in a very practical way. So here we are making more statements, and I'll go to Galway and I'll watch out to see, do I see guards walking around? I'm thrilled when I do, or on bikes. That's one practical way to actually make words mean something.